Porto, June 1st. Song of the Day. Always Look on the Bright Side of Life by Eric Idle. Quote of the day. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence by Helen Keller. Our giggle of the day. Why do hamburgers go to the gym? Answer. To get better buns. Whee! Going down.
It's like a roller coaster, like drop. Can you see that? But not fast.
Up bright and early, 7:30 in the morning for breakfast, and then we took the funicular down to the waterfront and a river cruise to explore the Douro River and its 6 beautiful bridges. We then walked across the water on the Dom Luis Bridge to Gaia, and we visited the Calum cellars. We purchased some port samplers and some delicious port-infused dark chocolates. Upon our return to Porto, we had lunch at the McDonald's, which is situated in an Art Deco building. They say it's the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. After that, we toured the Se, S-E, Cathedral and got the first stamp in our Compostela. For dinner, we went to Bella Mia Pizzeria for some yummy pizza. Tomorrow, we commence our Camino. The first stage, Porto to Matosinhos, should be about 6 to 7 miles. Happy trails to everyone.